Hey there, tech fans. It's time to buckle up because we've got some hot off the press news about Samsung's forthcoming Galaxy S24, and it's dropped just in time for the highly anticipated Galaxy Unpacked event on January 17, 2024. Word on the street, or rather, according to the insiders at Android Headlines, is that there's a buzz about Samsung potentially stretching the support lifespan of their spanking new Galaxy flagships to a jaw-dropping 7 years. While it hasn't been etched in stone officially, the idea of a 7-year support stretch is gaining some serious traction, especially when you consider that Google blazed the trail with their Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro last year. It seems like Samsung might be taking a leaf out of Google's playbook this time around. Now, if you're well acquainted with the Pixel 8, you'll find some familiar magic in what Samsung is now dubbing as Galaxy AI. Our first teaser in the gallery whisks us into the realm of the Magic Editor clone, a feature that's poised to empower Samsung's phones, including the highly anticipated Galaxy S24 series, to effortlessly shuffle, magnify, or fine-tune objects in photos with the enchanting touch of Galaxy AI. But let's talk eye candy, shall we? The rendered images of the Galaxy S24 and S24 Ultra spill the beans on the camera hardware details that have been buzzing in the rumor mill. However, there's a little twist in the plot. There's a hint of concern about potential subscription models for Galaxy AI features. The latest leaks seem to suggest that these snazzy new AI functions on supported Galaxy phones will stay on the house only until at least 2025. Beyond that, there's a possibility that some features might come with a price tag, though the specifics are still a tad elusive. Given that Google doesn't slap an extra fee on its AI features, this move might raise a few eyebrows among prospective Samsung Galaxy S24 buyers. But wait, there's more. Samobile's On Blast has graciously thrown in a few official promo images into the mix. While they may not be ultra-high res, they serve as official stamps of approval for other exciting features, such as the ability to circle objects in images for lightning-fast searches, real-time call translation, improved low-light zoom capabilities, a brighter display, and a helpful hand from Galaxy AI and Samsung Notes. And let's not forget Samsung's hype train around super fast charging 2.0, even though leaked data hints at support for a maximum of 45 or 25 watts. So, don't you dare blink, my friends. Keep those peepers peeled for more updates as we inch closer to the Galaxy Unpacked event. Are you positively brimming with excitement about these potential upgrades? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to show some love by hitting that like button if you found this update delightful, and smash that subscribe button for a steady stream of tech goodness. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one.